Hi, my name is Stephanie Klemons, and I am the Associate Choreographer of Hamilton the Musical, both on Broadway and worldwide. I am a dancer, I'm a singer, I'm a choreographer, I'm a director. All of my livelihood falls squarely in the arts. And I'm speaking to you today on behalf of the Arthur Miller Foundation. It's a nonprofit arts organization that basically makes sure that the teachers can sustain and teach the arts. I know that arts and education is something that seems like it may be on the fringe when we are so tightly looking at where our money is going right now. But I can tell you, as someone who teaches arts for a living on a professional scale, that the teaching of the arts is one of the most important things that we can do for the human race. My entire group of friends and performers is out of work right now, and the anger and the feeling of frustration is so pent up inside them, and I can see firsthand what it means when a human being does not get to express themselves. It is so important that we make sure that arts education organizations like the Arthur Miller Foundation are preserved in this time. They are what will bridge us, getting us to the next tomorrow and the next tomorrow and the next, and finally into the new world that we all know is coming. I, as a creator and as a human being, are begging you, I am begging you, please consider keeping and increasing funding for arts organizations and nonprofit organizations like this and others that I know firsthand are so helpful to our children. They need it. They're counting on us. Thank you.